Na da 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 da. No. Na da da da. Alone in a room, it's just me and you. I feel so lost, 'cause I don't know what to do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my life is so cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. My hopes and dreams, they are fading fast. I'm all burned out, and I don't think my strength is gonna last. So I'm crying out to you, Lord. I know you're the only one who is able to pull me through. So I know I need to talk to you, and I'll ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems so cloudy. Lord, guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. So show me how to do things your way. Don't let me make the same mistakes, no, over and over again. Your will be done, and I'll be the one to make sure that it's carried out. And in me, I don't want any doubt. That's why I want to talk to you, and I'll ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems just a little bit cloudy. Lord, you can guide me through. I open up my heart. Open up my heart to you, Lord. All I need to do is just hear a single word from you. I open up my heart. Oh, you just say, guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart, my heart. Oh, one word, one word, one word, one. One word, You're the lover of my soul, the captain of my sea. I need a word from you. That's why I open up my eyes.